So we're here at the Shanghai Disneyland Toy Story Hotel and we're going to show you everything this has to offer.
These are my favorite Toy Story characters. Little aliens. Right, 1, 3, 0, 6, 8. Why did I do this? Not that one. Try to. Woo. First impressions of this room, it's great, it smells good, it's clean. And the closet space, it's pretty big. I already put my stuff here. Over here I noticed they have some Toy Story branded. Oh, it's a tote bag. I thought it was gonna be like a laundry bag. I'm gonna keep that. And then they've got some slippers. I wanna see what it has because it looks like there's a character on them. So this is the sheriff's pin, and then this is the galactic pin. I don't know. This is the shower. It looks really cool because it reminds me of the pizza theming that they have in Toy Story. And they have their amenities here. Everything feels nice and clean and spacious. Look at this shower curtain with all the characters. The little Lotso. Lotso is really popular here actually. I've noticed that. Everything feels new. I like this. Over here, what I noticed was the big wall, of course. I like the clouds. It's nice and spacious and bright. And over here they have this print of a picture of all the characters. Mini fridge, coffee, tea, lots of water actually. I was surprised they gave us so much water. I like this. This is cute. This is really cool. It looks like the Rubik's Cube. Little Toy Story notepad. And then over here, what I noticed was this big thing over here with all the aliens, which is really cool. So they have in-room dining. I was looking at the menu, so the drinks are around like $5, and then the food itself is maybe like $10 to like $15, so not too expensive, but there's a lot of options to eat around here.
So we love all the details. Check this one out. It's actually Slinky Dog. It wraps around all of that. Even this exit map looks like a game board. Okay, so that's it for the room tour. And Andrea forgot to mention the carpet, which is actually themed as well, which is great because it pulls everything together. Although we don't have a specific view for the room, some of them have a garden view, some of them have the park view. Ours is just a regular one, but you can still see the Buzz statue that they have out here. Let me show you. He's much larger, but you know, we're on the 3rd floor, so we'll have to show you once we're there in person. But this is our view.
So we got this when we checked in. It's just a little kit with a room key that came here. And then they gave us a map that's like drawn of the hotel. And it came with our room number and floor number. And then there's also an itinerary of like activities that are going on at the hotel. And then this bag, they're giving it out, and I was wondering what it's in it. Oh, okay. There's like bathroom amenities here. A comb, toothpaste, toothbrush dental kit for kids, and then a dental kit for adults. It's not bad.
Yeah, and check-in was pretty simple. We got here and it didn't take us long, maybe 15 minutes. They just have to check you in, scan your passport, and then they give you all the information. It wasn't too busy. Maybe it does take longer some days, but it was pretty good just being there waiting in the lobby. And again, everything is themed, so you're enjoying that experience as well. We also got here from the shuttle, and that was pretty straightforward. They drop you off right at the front of the hotel, and then you just walk right in. Pretty simple.
I think we gotta solve the debate. Is there Disney Plus or not? This is what we've been talking about since we found out we're coming here.
It actually doesn't have Disney Plus, but it does have a ton of movies, 90 exactly. So if you're just relaxing at the resort or in the room, you can watch some of your Disney favorites. Okay, so now we're going to the Sunnyside Cafe and we're gonna have some dinner. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet, and we'll check the prices and all that right now and see what they have.
Level 2, the lobby.
Yeah, so the lobby is on the 2nd floor. We're up in the 3rd, and the cafe is on the 1st floor. So we're just gonna go down one more. And you can see right here a sneak peek of what it's like. It's also themed. Doesn't seem like it's too busy, so that's good, and we can show you around more. And this is the Buzz Lightyear that I was sending you from the room. You can see it right there.
I can smell it. It smells good. It's like strawberry. It was a cotton.
As we said, this is an all-you-can-eat buffet, and they're making some custom-made things like sweets, but we're gonna see what the rest of the food is like. So So this is what we got for the first time around. This is my plate. This is some Andrea. Actually, we're just gonna share all of it. Of course, they have a character meet and greet. They just handed me this, which gives you a time slot for you to meet with a character. Right now it's Jessie, but first we're gonna eat.
Out of all of these, I was really excited for these prawns and the eggplant. This one had kimchi on it. Not bad. Look at these noodles. I was surprised by how many options they had of food there, but I think the sauce is really good.
Okay, so while Andrea's eating her noodles, I want to say that I sort of cheated and jumped in and tasted one of these pork neck pieces, and this one's delicious. Recommend this one. There's a good blend between Western style food and a lot of Chinese food. I think the taste is good.
This is tilapia, grilled tilapia. It's super light seasoning, it's really good. The other thing that I liked, it looked really good, was this one. Some braised barbecue pork. And he's already eating some of it. It just looks so good. We'll see how, out of all of these, which ones we like the most.
That's good. It's simple, but it's good. Really tasty.
Pork with some celery. That one has a lot of flavor.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to finish some of these off before it gets cold, and then we'll show you the rest because there's fruit, ice cream, and some other desserts. So you can see Andres still going at it. I finished most of my stuff. This is not my plate. This is Andres too. So actually, it's just Andrea still working on her stuff, but we have to go meet Woody and Jessie in a bit. They've been coming to say hello to us. It's been pretty fun. So that's another thing that you pay for here, right? You're doing the character meet, so it makes it more worth it because it is expensive. We'll talk about the price and all that in a bit. How do you feel about meeting Woody and Jessie?
They're cute. We'll see. They seem kind of friendly.
Yeah, Andres a bit more shy, but I'm the one holding the camera, so she'll have to interact with him a bit more. We'll see how it goes.
One, two, three.
I got shy.
So we essentially got one of each, and we're gonna try all of them, of course, because it's a buffet. And I got some ice cream and then some fruit just to feel a little more healthy about it.
That piece of fruit is not gonna help. It's like spongy. What in the world? Maybe matcha flavor? That little green thing in the middle, and the rest is just like cream. And this is very spongy, like little cake. These are good. And this cream puff. Simple, light and fluffy. Oh, this one's already melting. That's a really good one. Reminds me of those ice cream strawberry cheesecake. Alright, I'm gonna try these desserts now. So out of all of the other ones, I think the strawberry one was the best. The little Lotso. Hey, you ate the little bear. You didn't tell me what it tasted like. I'll try this one. Whoa. That one's got coffee in it. Whoa. It's strong. It's very good. If you like coffee, go for that one. I don't even know how to eat this one. Just bite. No fruit tart. Really good. And this one's like a cupcake. The frosting is so creamy and good. The cake itself is a very light, subtle chocolate flavor. I think the fruit tart is the best.
So now we're gonna try these other desserts that are just making here, right in front of you. There's 4 stations. See, right here is the cotton candy. This is the other sort of type of fried thing, strawberries. And that's where they have that sort of candy design.
They keep making what is banana Jessie's. This is the cotton candy. This is probably why it smells like strawberries in the hotel. What is that?
海鲜丸子.
Oh, these are like salty. It's got onion, maybe shrimp, and some cabbage. Got some like bacon, dried bacon, seaweed, and some sauce. But it's still hot. It's like I'm not sure how to describe it because we don't have this in the States, but just like a puff pastry but savory. And it's got onions. The bread itself is a little bit salty. It's not bad. I like it with the seaweed. So these are candied strawberries. Some of them look like they have grapes on the bottom. So it's a grape and then a strawberry. Once it cools down, I'll try that one. It looks good. Okay, I requested an alien. I actually have a charm on my bracelet, so that's what I was trying to show him. I don't know how to say alien in Chinese, but we'll see how it looks.
So while we wait for that one to cool down, let me go get some of these strawberries. They're ready and they look pretty good.
This is so cool. It's like caramel. You hold this one. Look, Eddie got these strawberry sticks and the fruit sticks. It's really good. It's like a candied fruit.
So I just tried the candied fruit, and the strawberry part was really good. Super sweet, and Andrea was trying to eat the rest of it.
It was a tomato. I thought it was a grape, but it's actually a tomato. I don't like this, no. This is a weird combo.
But that's why we're trying it, so you know beforehand, and it seems like the alien tastes pretty good.
This is good. It tastes like they, I guess, made the caramel. But that guy is so talented and so patient. It's worth it for the experience that you get to do, like the little dessert tables and the characters. The desserts are really good, but the main course is maybe like 2 or 3 out of like all the ones that we chose.
Yeah, I mean, it is expensive, but this is Disney, so you know it's going to be more expensive. I would say it is worth it because of the characters, and as Andrea said, there's some dishes that are really good, so I think you'd still enjoy it and get enough food. So definitely check it out if you're already here. I mean, you might as well enjoy this, especially with all the theming. I think that takes it to the next level. So now that we're walking back to our room, we can see from up here the Sunnyside Cafe. And you can see that there's a lot more people. And I think it's because people are just coming from the park. And so now they're having dinner and it's a lot busier. So if you want to avoid some of the crowds and you just want to have more space, make sure you get there when it opens.
I'm upset that they had a kids activity to decorate some pastries, and it's only for kids. I want to do it too.
Yeah, she's not really upset, but of course, you know, she'd rather have the option to do it herself as well.
I just like baking, so it would have been nice to be included. But we just got back to our room and we noticed that they left some desserts for us. These are really cute. We didn't see these at the buffet today, but got strawberries, nuts, blueberries, and then a little alien macaroon. So cute. And then this forky dessert that looks like the chocolate cake that we had earlier. And then this one is like a cupcake, but it's got, instead of frosting, it looks like a little, like the one from the alien dessert.
So now we're ready to go back to the park. We're gonna use the shuttle, but I don't think we're gonna show this on camera. We're just gonna go relax. Don't worry, we'll have more videos where we're showing everything here at night and in the day. Now it's time to go back to the Sunnyside Cafe for some breakfast.
These are the Disney waffles. I actually haven't had some at Disney World or Disneyland. They're good. A little bit too crispy, but I like the print on them. And this one looks like those morning like steamed buns, the balsa. Lots of flavor, moist and soft. So these are the Chinese donuts. Usually they're a little bit longer, so they just cut them up in little pieces. These are good. Sometimes they'll have sugar on them, but this one's just plain fried dough. It's good. So this is the alien croissant. This one looks really cute. There's no actual filling in it. Minus the chocolate eyeballs. I bit it again. I got the filling. It's like a cream puff pastry filling. Light, not too sweet. It's good. This one was a sesame seed rice ball. This one's really good. It's like a sweet and savory combo. Look at that filling. This is rice, and then on the inside it's like a sesame seed paste. I wasn't expecting this one to have the filling inside. It's really good.
So now, although we aren't going to buy anything, we're going to show you the Sunnyside Market, just in case you want to buy anything like a drink or any pastries. They have that option here. So here are some of the drinks.
I didn't see these cupcakes, the little Pixar cupcakes, Toy Story and Woody. These are nice. And later we'll be seeing a lot of these, the Duffy and Friends. They also got some quick breakfast options. They've got plain waffles and some pork buns and sausage rolls, corn dogs as well. I haven't seen those before.
Pretty convenient, and they have this little sitting area, so it's good if you just want to come and hang around here, and they have all the theming on the walls as well. So here you have the playroom where the little kids can come and play for a bit, and they have some activities, some tables, stuff like that, but I won't record obviously because there's little kids in there.
This is where they do the character meet and greets.
Some of the detail up close, you can see there's sort of these playing cards with some of the characters. Great theming all over. You can also see this huge Woody riding bullseye, and now we're headed to the Aliens rocket, which actually has some type of water feature. And right now it's not running because it's too cold, but normally in summer or when it's not so cold outside, you can actually come out here and play with some of these water systems. Another cool thing that you can see all around is the window paneling, and it's sort of got this blue tint on it, but you can also see the clouds, and a lot of these are windows that people can open up from their room. It's a simple design, but it does add to the theming of the overall hotel.
This is the main section with all the Lotso gear. Some of them are scented, like the stuffed animal. It smells like strawberries. And then even the shirt says, it smells like strawberries.
So there's a lot of merch, and don't worry, we'll be doing a lot more of these videos because there's too many things to show in one video. For now, we'll just give you a sort of quick glimpse into what this store is like.
It's a curtain holder, or you can wear it on your arm.
Also, as we mentioned, Duffy and Friends is really popular here, so you can see that they have an entire section dedicated to them. So you have that option here as well. It's not just Toy Story. That concludes our one-day stay here at the Toy Story Hotel in Shanghai Disneyland. It was great. We enjoyed the theming and of course being so close to the park and getting those early access hours. So that's going to be it, and we'll show you another hotel or more of Shanghai Disney Resort some other time. See you next time.